Hello and welcome to Reservoir Travel. In this video, we will take you on a tour of the New South Wales Southern Highlands, highlighting its top attractions and hidden gems. The Southern Highlands features charming towns like Bowral, Robertson, Kangaroo Valley, and Mittagong, each offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Bong Street. Bong Street is Bowral's main street, lined with historic buildings, boutique shops, and cafes, offering a delightful shopping and dining experience. Here you can stroll along the street, admire the architecture, and discover unique treasures in the local shops. Bradman Museum. This museum is dedicated to the legendary cricketer Sir Donald Bradman, showcases his personal memorabilia and celebrates his remarkable achievements. Here you can learn about his extraordinary career, explore his batting techniques through interactive displays, and gain insight into the history of Australian cricket. Kangaroo Valley Village. This charming village is known for its unique shops, cafes, and galleries, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Wander through the village streets, browse the unique shops, savor a delicious meal at a local cafe, or take a leisurely stroll along the river. Hampden Bridge. This historic bridge opened in 1898. It is a popular spot for scenic walks and photography, offering stunning views of the Kangaroo Valley. Cross the bridge and admire the picturesque scenery, capture memorable photos, and enjoy the tranquility of the surrounding landscape. Pioneer Village Museum. Step back in time at this living history museum, where you can explore historic buildings and learn about the region's early settlers. Experience life as it was in the past and gain a deeper understanding of the region's history. Lake Alexandra Reserve. It's a popular recreational area surrounded by parkland, offering picnic facilities, playground area and a scenic walking path. Here you can enjoy a leisurely stroll, feed the local wildlife, or simply relax and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. Robertson Cheese Factory. The Robertson Cheese Factory, established in 1936, has transformed from a local cheese producer to a thriving hub of culinary delights. The historic building now houses a cafe, cheese shop, and ice creamery, offering a range of local produced cheeses, gourmet products, and specialty stores. Visitors can enjoy a taste of Southern Highlands' rich history while indulging in delicious food and shopping. Fitzroy Falls and Belmore Falls. Fitzroy Falls is one of the most iconic waterfalls in the Southern Highlands, offers a picturesque setting for hiking, picnicking, and enjoying the beauty of nature. Belmore Falls offers a breathtaking natural spectacle with walking trails leading to viewing platforms and offering stunning panoramic views. Lookouts and scenic drives. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Southern Highlands from Bowral Lookout, which overlooks the charming town of Bowral and the surrounding countryside. Yellow Lookout provides breathtaking vistas of the Mountain National Park and the surrounding valleys, showcasing the region's natural beauty. Every week, we will take you to the most amazing places in the world. Follow us so you don't miss our next tour. While here, don't forget to take a leisurely scenic drive and discover Southern Highlands' hidden gems along the way.